In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a drop-down menu in WordPress. Whether you're updating your main navigation or creating a new menu from scratch, understanding how to tweak these elements can make a huge difference in how visitors interact with your site. So, let's dive right in and explore the steps involved in editing your drop-down menu seamlessly. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your starting point for any customization on your site. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Appearance tab. Hover over it, and you'll see a drop-down menu where you should click on Menus. This is your gateway to managing all things related to navigation. Now, you should be looking at the Menus screen. Here, you'll have the option to create a new menu or select an existing one to modify. If you're looking to edit an existing menu, navigate to the drop-down menu that says Select a menu to edit. Choose the menu you want to work on and click Select. This loads your current menu structure. Let's say you want to add a new item to your menu. On the left-hand side, you'll see options to add pages, posts, custom links, and categories. Simply check the items you want to include and click Add to Menu. Your new menu item will now appear at the bottom of your menu structure on the right. Remember, you can drag and drop menu items to rearrange them in any order that suits your needs. To create a drop-down menu, drag the item you want as a sub-item slightly to the right, underneath its parent item. You'll notice it indenting, indicating that it's nested under the main item. This is an intuitive way to create a hierarchical structure within your navigation. If you need to rename a menu item, simply click the small arrow on the right side of the menu item. This expands an editing panel where you can change the navigation label to whatever you prefer. You can also remove items from this menu by clicking on Remove at the bottom of this panel. Before we wrap up, it's essential to highlight the importance of saving your changes. Making changes to your menu won't appear on your site until you click the blue Save Menu button. Don't forget this step, or all your hard work won't be visible to your audience. Once you've saved all your settings and are happy with your menu design, visit the front end of your site to see how everything looks. A quick glance will help you confirm that all links work correctly and that your additions fit well within your site's theme. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to edit a drop-down menu in WordPress. Taking control of your site's navigation is crucial for providing a positive user experience. With these skills, you're well equipped to keep your site organized and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful WordPress tutorials.